So, what the heck has Papa been up to this week, man? It has been a wild week in the world of our wonderful wizard. Actually, did we talk about this yet? This is absolutely ridiculous. Now, again, we're talking about at some point holding Safemoon is going to be like blah, 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 blah. 10% fee makes it unusable as a cryptocurrency. Now, what Papa comes back and claps with is, don't worry, two-way transactional exemptions solved it. Weeks before you tweeted. Oh. What? This comes back to what I believe is what we talked about with HOARD once again. Check out, I have a video. You guys remember when we looked at the HOARD website last week? It has a way to do no fee transactions for basically micro and small transactions. I'm pretty sure that's what this is. This is using the HOARD technology to do no fee transaction. That's gonna be sick. The only piece of FUD that's left, like I talked about in the video there, is that no, you can't use Safemoon to buy yourself a soda. Transaction cost, especially when Safemoon becomes incredibly valuable. Not if all of those cheap transactions are exempt from the fees. So keep an eye out. Check out that video on HOARD that I have up there. Let me know what you guys think about Papa's plans on this one. Next up from Papa's party this week. Not actually Papa's party yet. We're going to get to Papa's party. But he's making some big moves. You know, Papa has been in this scene for a long time. And he indicates here, Ethereum, Matic, 88, Doge are all really good to him. But, he says here, he may have made an altcoin purchase to make history the other day. Feeling cute. Might break the internet again. Now, what could this mean? What kind of an altcoin purchase could Papa make that would break the internet? Does that mean like a gigantic purchase? Is it going to break the internet because of how much he purchased? Because of which coin he purchased? Like that that he would throw his support behind this, that, or the other project? Or what do you guys think? How is Papa going to break the internet with an altcoin purchase? Pretty exciting here. I mean, first of all, the fact that he's buying anything besides Safemoon's pretty rad, right? I think is very cool that he supports other projects, which not surprising. Everyone, I think in the Safemoon space, just by the nature of what it takes to be in the Safemoon space, is probably someone who is interested in other projects. So. Cool, Papa. Can't wait to see you break the internet, my man. I've been watching the feed to see, this was now three days ago, and I have yet to see what is going to break the internet. Let me know, folks. Watch Papa's feed. Keep me posted. Someone ping me when we find out what Papa bought there, because I want to know. I need to know. Papa's been all over the place, and when we know, this is what we're going to be. Papa rocking that new dude. Meatballs. Papa has been cooking up a storm with his homies. Bob Ross tie-dye, looking sharp, looking swell. Can't go wrong. And I just like everything about this picture. Looks like some chill homies. Definitely good-looking dudes here. Let's move it on down the lane and see what we have going on. Oh, hells to the yeah. Look at these men making balls. And they know what they're doing here. They got that meat simmering. They look at that. Look at that stir stick that they're using in the background. That is professional level stirring with a hole in the middle so you're not displacing your sauce while you stir it. Folks know what they're doing here. We are top of the pops. Ha. Keep on moving on down. We have our balls getting formed. Look at that. Those are some big old balls. Don't ever let anyone tell you don't have big balls, Papa. They are sluggers. Recipe. I don't know if they did share the recipe at any point. Oh yeah, saucy balls. Saucy balls. I believe we had one more shot of them all roasty toasty and done. Let's see. No, is that the last? That's some good looking sauce too with all